5:03 now. It is day 41 of the government shutdown, and this morning there is light at the end of the tunnel after the Senate approved an initial step that could end the impasse later this week. Bradley Blackburn has more on the rare weekend session from New York.
The motion upon reconsideration is agreed to.
The Senate approved a first step to push through legislation that could end the longest government shutdown in U.S. history after a group of mostly moderate Democrats made a deal with Republicans. The Senate and House still need to approve the full measure.
All of us, Republicans and Democrats, who support this bill know that the time to act is now.
Democrats had demanded any funding package include expiring health care subsidies. The deal grants them a vote next month on extending the tax credits.
This was the only deal on the table. It was our best chance to reopen the government.
The agreement comes after the Supreme Court issued an emergency order late Friday, halting the payout of full SNAP benefits. 42 million Americans used the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program to buy food. There were long lines over the weekend in Southern California at a distribution site for the LA Regional Food Bank, and major concerns for those in need in the Boston area.
At the end of the day, they are people who are seniors and veterans and families with children and working families that really are just looking for some answers.
Adding to the shutdown chaos, air travelers are coping with massive disruptions as the FAA ordered airlines to cut flights at the nation's busiest airports.
We need to figure it out as a country. Get it together.
A compromise was reached in this case, but it's not a done deal just yet.
Democrats voted no 14 times to reopen the government until negotiating this deal. If approved, it would also reverse the layoffs of government employees during the shutdown.
And your SNAP food assistance benefits could be coming soon. The Georgia Department of Human Services says it will issue partial SNAP benefits for November following new federal guidelines. People whose regular distribution dates have already passed will receive their benefits by tomorrow. All others are going to get theirs on the usual schedule through the rest of the month. Eligible households will get up to 65% of their normal SNAP amount based on income and other deductions. DHS is also urging users to lock their EBT cards between purchases using the Lock My Card Everywhere feature in the Connect EBT app to help prevent fraud.